Alright, here we go one more time. One more time. I got an unboxing video for y'all, man. We gonna do this, we got a good old handheld vacuum this time. From Dibea. Anyway, we got one more. We're gonna go to this handy utility clip that I got right here. Open this thing going up. See what it's talking about. Oh, they fancy, huh? Anyway, let's see what we got here. Of course, got a little suction brush. There you go. I'm almost getting it. Bet this a charger right here. All day, every day. Bam. Got you a good charger right there in the white box. And we gonna pull out. You know, something everybody should practice doing, pulling this on out. Boom. You take it out the plastic. See what it's doing. Oh yeah. Now that's nice. That is nice right there. Look like something inside of it. But yeah, that thing look good. Look at there, look at there. Brand new-ish. Brand new. Brand new. Got a filter right here that filled out of nowhere. And we got some what is this? That thing got all kind of attachments you can stick in there. You getting deep down and everything with these bad boys right here. Wait, you is not playing. Look at this. Look at this. That's uh-oh. Is this a face mask? Nah. What is this, a stand? I don't know what it is. It look like a charging stand, probably. Cause of that silver right there, that was throwing. But nah. Yeah, that what it is. Charging base. Bam. Talking about. Anyway, that's it. That's the whole kit and caboodle. We got this little notebook right here. And then plastic stuff. It's a wrap for everything else. Anyway, that's one more unboxing tutorial for the road. Go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, say, you know what I'm saying? Just do that. Help me blow up. I sure appreciate you.